everybody, welcome here to Musicians Edition. I'm Evan on the guitar, and in this video we're going to look at another popular song that is Beanie by Chisel. So you might not have known the name of it. I didn't when I was hearing it for quite a while on my feed, but this one's very popular and it's a really nice loop to get us practicing our finger picking skills. So let's go ahead and hear what this one's going to sound like. Alright, so that is Beanie, so that's the song we're going to look at. This is great finger picking skills, you can hear it from the song there. There is a slowed version that's popular or a quicker version, so you can choose at what pace you want to learn this one at. We'll start slow obviously and work our way up here though. But this is just 4 chords, that's just going to be played on a loop, as it is for what I believe is pretty much the entire song. And that's the most recognizable guitar part in the song as well too, luckily, so that's what we're going to look at. So with 4 chords, we'll look at the 4 holding patterns you're going to need with your fretting hand. We're going to start with the strumming pattern first to make sure we can get that down. It is the same strumming pattern all the way through, so once you get it down for the first chord, you just repeat the same thing for all 3 other chords. So let's look at our first chord and let's just practice our strumming pattern on this one there. So to match the pitch of what the song is actually in, you're going to need a capo on your 8th fret. So that's what I have here. It is 8th fret. And so this one is played nice and high all the way up here. Okay, so let's look at that first chord. It's just going to be pressing down with 4 fingers because we play 4 notes for each of these chords here. You'll see that once we get to the pattern of it. And so again, capo on the 8th fret, and so all the fret positions will be relative to the capo, so 2 frets up from the capo is what we're going to be looking at for that first one here on the A string. So 2nd fret of the A string I'm going to press with my index finger. I'm going to skip the D string, we're not going to play that one, but we're going to go to the G string and play 4th fret right there. That's my ring finger. Middle finger I'm going to press 3rd fret of the B string. And then pinky is going to go 5th fret of high E right there. So I have index, 2nd fret of A, skip over D, we're not playing it. G string, 4th fret, B string, 3rd fret, and high E, 5th fret. So it's 2, X, 4, 3, 5. And again, we're not playing low E either for this one, so really X, 2, X, 4, 3, 5. All right, so there's the picture for it as well too, for you to be able to see it. Get in that position and we'll look at our strumming pattern for this one. All right, so the reason this one is finger picking is because we are going to start off by picking just the low note in the chord, so the root note of the chord, at the same time as we play high E, and that's what we're gonna do to start every chord. So we're gonna go ahead and pinch our root note here being on the A string with our thumb, and then I'm using my ring finger to pinch on high E, so those 2 at the same time. So that's thumb and ring finger. And then what it does from there is we're going to keep ring finger assigned to this high E string. The middle finger is always going to play the string below, and the index finger is always going to play that string below, and we're going to kind of lock our top 3 fingers into the top 3 strings and just always keep them strumming there with the pattern. And your thumb is going to strum those root notes at the beginning, which is either going to be on the A string, or we'll see some on the E string too. So we start off with a pinch, and then from there we're going to play. So it's back and forth with just the B string to the G string. So it's ba-do-do-do-do, and then we're going to come back up to high E again. So all that through is going to be like this. Then we're going to come back up again to high E, but this one without the lower root note. That one's just going to ring out from the beginning all the way through. So like this. And that's really our pattern all the way through this once you do get it down and can play it quick. I'll go a little bit closer so you can see my fingers. So pinch right here. And And that's our pattern all the way through. You can see it on the tab here as well too for what you're going to be playing. And again, just assign those fingers to their strings and always keep them on those same ones. Just the thumb is going to go between these two lower notes here. But ring, middle, index, all assigned to their strings. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. All right, and I encourage you just repeat the same chord, go over and over, make sure you got that pattern locked in and work on getting quicker with it. And quicker. Until you can go all the way. And that is our finger picking pattern for this one. So we do that pinch, and then the rest is just one string being played at a time. This pinch is something pretty common in a lot of songs to add in that low note along with the melody played with it, so that's what's going on here. We get that root note of the chord, and then play the rest of this just like a melody. And so lock that finger pattern in. It's going to be the same exact thing for every chord. Practice it as much as you need to on this chord. We're going to go ahead and look at the next ones. All that's left from here is just getting down the chord changes. So the second chord position, we're moving away from this 2, 4, 3, 5, 1. And what we're going to do here is lift up with our index and slide over our pinky. That's it. So we lift up with the index finger, slide the pinky down to 4. So it was on 5, we bring it down to 4. And we're going to play low E on this one as our root note with the high E again for our pinch. And then we're going to go ahead and just strum again. And that's it. So that change again, we had our index finger pressed on the 2nd fret of A, and we had our pinky on 5. All we do, lift, slide the pinky, and you're there. Don't forget our thumb is moving down on this one. We were on the A string. Now we're going down to low E. So don't miss that when you're making this chord transition as well too, moving that thumb down to the lowest string. And again, here is this second chord. The chord transition, this one isn't too bad because they are similar. You're going to want to work on that. So that's going to go a bit like this. And that's where we are so far. 2 chords down. Go ahead and practice those as much as you need to. There's those pictures again for the chord position and the strumming pattern for this one. Go ahead and work on that, and we'll go to the 3rd chord when you're ready. All right, so 3rd chord, our transition from what was here, which was that 4, 3, 4 that we just had. We are going to lift up these 2 fingers. Just our pinky is still planted, and we're going to have our index finger come over and bar those strings that our other 2 fingers were playing on. So we need them to bar the G and B strings here and press and hold on both of those. If you don't like to bar, you can do 2 fingers over here. You can use your index and middle fingers with your pinky on the 4th fret. It's just easier for me to bar it though. Press with 1 finger, maybe throw in that 2nd finger for support to make sure you're getting a clean sound. Our root note is going to be open A. So make sure your barred index finger is not hitting A. We want that open. And that's going to be the pinch with the pinky still in that same position on the 4th fret. Making our chord position open A. And then we have our index finger barring G and B on the 2nd fret with pinky on 4. Okay, so there's our position. And again, here's our pattern. So let's look at that transition. We were at 4, 3, 4 with our index open. So again, we finish up on this chord. And press the index finger down, lift up your middle and ring fingers, and you're there. All right, and so remember, we are having our thumb again go back down to A. That's really what it does. 1st chord, it starts on A. 2nd chord, it goes to the low E. 3rd chord, it comes back to A. And the 4th chord here, it's going to come back to the low E, where we're going to play just a completely barred 2nd fret. So just fully bar the 2nd fret with your index finger, cover it with your middle finger for some extra support to make sure they're all clean. You could, of course, play it with all your fingers like this on the 2nd fret. It's possible, it's just easier for me to bar it. Do whatever works for you. We need to cover all these notes on the 2nd fret. We're gonna play low E, and we're gonna play the top 3 strings once again. So all together. That's it. So just everything on the 2nd fret, same exact pattern we've been doing. Pinch starting from low E to high E, and then single notes from there. And that's it. That is our 4th chord position, all on the 2nd fret. Let's look at all 4 together here and practice those transitions. So our first one, again, we played 2nd fret. We played that 4, 3, 5 higher up. And we lifted with our index, slid the pinky over, lifted these 2 fingers, pressed the index down on the 2nd fret. And last one, get that index barring this entire 2nd fret. And those are our chord transitions, and that is the entire thing there. Practice it as much as you need to. Again, here's those 4 chord positions. Go ahead and pause and practice those transitions. And again, all connected, we're gonna sound something like this. Start as slow as you need to. I'll play this one out pretty slow here. From there, you just loop it back into itself. Over and over. And that is our entire song here. That is Beanie by Chisel, the very popular song I'm sure you've heard before. And again, a great exercise to practice our finger picking. So this is great to get 4 fingers involved here, making sure all of them can hit with equal strength, working on their dexterity. So I hope this one helped you out. Go ahead and practice it, and I hope you have fun playing. We'll see you next time here at Musicians Edition.